Hello guys, this is AJ and welcome back to my channel. So good morning, it's around 6 a.m. So wala tayo sa NAIA today because dito tayo sa Clark International Airport kasi dito namin na-book yung cheaper fare going to Batanes. So yes, we're fulfilling our local dream destination. Pupunta tayo ng Batanes today and we'll stay there for 4 nights, I think. So, let's go. So, anyway, sa mga pupunta pala dito or may mga flight ng Clark International, pwede kayo mag P2P from NAIA. So, pwede ko i-link down on the description box yung schedules nila. So, see you guys! So we're finally here in Batanes. Pero ayun, medyo late kami naka-provide ng flight details dun sa accommodation. So hindi kami na-pick up. So we're on our way out. We're gonna look for tricycle. Punta dun sa nabook namin accommodation. So later na lang ulit. So we're here. Buksan natin ilaw. Ayan. So, dahil nga hindi kami nakapag-coordinate agad with the property or sa accommodation namin, we took a trike. So, dun sa yung exit area ng airport, may parang guard post dun. Pwede niya silang pakiusapan para makakuha ng tricycle for you. So, we waited a couple of minutes lang. Dun lang din. Tapos, diretso na kami dito. So, we're staying at Florabel's Iraya Guest House. So, kita nyo naman. So, nabook namin to around 6K for 4 nights. So, ayan yung room. May mini fridge. May full body mirror. May TV. Aircon. Tapos, may cabinet. Tapos, yung CR nila, sobrang ayos. Oh, may libreng toothbrush. Oh, yan, bidet check. So, may bidet. Tapos, shower na may heater. And then, ang view, the town proper itself at saka mountain. Worth it na rin tong nabook namin. Wala kaming itinerary for today. Yung nabook namin na tour would start tomorrow. So, North and South Batañon. And then, may sabtang kami na island hopping. Ayun, we're here. Conquering our dream, our local travel destination. So, can't wait to explore Batanes. See you guys later. Bye! So, hindi ko totally na-explain kanina. So, kasi we took the Clark International Airport na biyahe going to Batanes. So, from Manila, bumiyahe kami to NAIA. And then sa NAIA Terminal 3, arrival, Bay 12 to be specific, nandun yung mga P2P bus going to Clark International Airport ng diretso. It costs around 450 pesos. Very convenient na rin siya guys. Tapos it took us 2 hours to travel from NAIA to Clark International, pero kasi madaling araw. So we took the 4 a.m. trip. So ngayon, pahinga lang saglit here sa accommodation. And then, maglalakad-lakad kami muna since again, wala nga kami itinerary. So, can't wait. So, ngayon, iikot-ikot lang kami dito, lakad-lakad kung saan mapadpad. Google Map is our best friend. Tapos, sumasideline na rin kami ng Pokemon Go. Nag-iiwan kami ng Pokemon sa mga Pokestop. Tapos, nagre-raid kami. So, add nyo na lang kami sa Pokemon Go, guys. So, anyway, see you guys later. Bye! Ngayon lang kami nagising ulit. We actually slept. Sa ulo ko, feeling ko yung sa init kanina. It's around 6:08 p.m. We're heading out for dinner. Try namin yung Casa Napoli pizza. Sabi nila masarap daw kasi brick oven. So, let's go. Good morning. Day 2 in Batanes. Today, our tour will start sa North and South Sabtang. So, currently mahangin. It's a windy morning here. Hopefully, hindi umulan. Pero at least mahangin. So, kakain lang kami ng breakfast. Tapos, antayin na namin yung tour na sunduin kami dito. So, this is it. Makakaikot na tayo ng Batanes. So, today pala nakaschedule yung swimming sa Fountain of Youth. So, yan yun. Para siyang pool na fresh water. Pero, pwede kayong bumaba dito sa beach. So, nandito kami ngayon sa beach. Yan. So, mukhang tomorrow magsa-start yung pinaka-tour. So, now, magsa-swimming-swimming na lang muna dito. And pictures. We're back sa accommodation. Tapos ko lang maligo and papa-freshen up lang ulit. Then we'll head out for lunch. Currently here sa famous na lighthouse. So napunta na kami dito para mauna. Unfortunately may event yung Department of Tourism. So medyo mabilis lang kami magsistay dito. But look at the view. And after a quickie stop sa lighthouse, we're walking our way to the rolling hills. So, sana masolo din namin. Ayan, yung Basco Lighthouse. And then, we're off to the rolling hills. Let's go! May 20 minutes of walking from the lighthouse going to the rolling hills. Nakikita na naman yung mga nakaparadang van, pero according kay kumaring Google, sa kanyang mapa, mga 20 minutes na paglalakad. Pero masarap kasi mahangin. Yun nga lang, medyo pakakyat talaga siya. So, struggle. Pero hindi naman kami tinrain ng mga akyat bundok para mag-give up sa ganito.
Shout out kay Marika.
Hi, let's go. Yun yung aakyatin namin. Let's go. So, ayun pa yung lalakarin namin. Saan na sila? Ayan. So we're actually here. And this is the other side. Okay. So we're definitely in Batanes. Grabe. I can't believe. Dream come true. Parehas namin dream destination talaga tong Batanes. So, we're really happy and grateful na nakarating kami dito. At salamat sa seat sale local. Look. This is where the Philippine Road ends. Welcome to Batanes! And we're back. So, from dun sa may rolling hills to here sa accommodation, naka 2.66 kilometers din kami kahit pa paano. Grabe, parang namawala na yung ilong ko. Kapagod, pahinga lang kami saglit, then hanap naman makakainan ulit for dinner. Food is life. Morning, day 3 in Batanes. So dahil na iba yung tour namin, nag-DIY kami papunta dito sa Maydange Beach. 1K siya na rent dun sa pang tour na tricycle. Tapos yung tour nga kasi namin for North Batan ay mamaya pang hapon. Kaya nag-DIY na lang kami kasi wala kaming gawin. So, ayun, nandito kami sa Maydange Beach. And then, katabi nito is the Blue Lagoon. So, pupuntahan din namin yun mamaya. Not the most finest sand. Not the most, oo. May mga bato, pero okay na din. Oo. Look. Diba? Medyo secluded siya. So parang kami-kami lang. So we're now headed to the Blue Lagoon. Dito pwede mag-swim. And we're done. Halublob na kami. Tapos may lumilipad pang white butterfly. Baka yung bantayan dito. Anyway, so ayan yung Blue Lagoon. Pwede daw maglublob naman dyan. We'll be having our early lunch. Kasi 2 PM yung pick up sa amin for the North Batan tour. So, let's go! So, we're starting the North Batan tour again. We're here sa may Rolling Hills. And then, we'll go to the lighthouse. Kasama namin yung mga titas of Manila. So, ayun. We're here yesterday. So, perfect yung kahapon kasi sunset. Climbing up the lighthouse. Few steps. Let's go. We're here on top. Ganda. So, nandito na kami sa Mount Carmel. Mount Carmel? Carmel. So, the famous chapel in Batanes. Yung gawa sa bato. Ayan. We're going inside the Japanese tunnel. So, pwede pa naman tumayo.
Yes, so itong Japanese tunnel na to, unlike sa mga ibang tunnel, ito isa malaki talaga, nakakatayo ka. Hindi yung kailangan mo
Yumoko. So it's still early. I think it's around 7:20. Early dinner kami kanina. Tapos naglakad-lakad lang kami to buy Magnum kasi naghanap kami ng ice cream. And then tomorrow 5:30 AM yung pick up para sa Sabtang and then the South Batan tour. Sobrang fun kasama ng mga kasama namin sa tour, like mga titas of Manila. Tapos sobrang kukulit nila magkwentuhan, sobrang kulit nilang, as in kalong siguro magkakaibigan na sila even before pa. Pero sobrang, as in yung vibes nila titas of Manila na mga, alam mo yung mga small loud vibes ganyan. Pero sobrang kalog nilang kausap, sobrang cute nilang panoorin pag nagchichikahan sila, ganong vibes. So anyway, shower and then pahinga since maaga pa bukas. So good night guys, see you guys tomorrow. Fortunately, we can't go to Sabtang because of the bad weather. So babalik pa ng Batanes, that's for sure. Kasi wala pa Itbayan, hindi pa makapagsabtang. So ngayon, South Batan tour na lang. Anyway, good morning, day 4 in Batanes. So we are now here sa famous Honesty store. So bili-bili ng souvenir and all. Tapos kita dito, port din tong katabi niya papuntang Sabtang. So yan yung Sabtang Island. Unfortunately, na-cancel yung tour namin papuntang Sabtang because of the weather. Sad, pero it is what it is. Balik na lang ng Batanes. Let's go inside the Honesty store. now we're back sa accommodation. So, after namin mag Marlboro Hills, ang lunch namin sa Bihan. Tapos, balik na dito sa accommodation. So, unfortunately, hindi nga talaga natuloy yung sabtang. So, nirefund na lang din kami nung tour agency. So, now we're back in our accommodation. Nakapag-shower na din kasi nga naulanan kanina. Up until now, umuulan pa rin. And mukhang alanganin kasi flight na namin to Manila tomorrow. Medyo alanganin pa. Baka may chance ma-cancel or whatnot. But nevertheless, ayun. So, dito lang kami. Killing our time. Hopefully, mamaya hindi na umulan para makalabas, makalakad-lakad na lang at makakain pa ulit. So, ngayon, rest muna. Bye! At ayun na nga po. Brown out na sa buong Batanes. So, ano na pong gagawin natin, mga friends? And now, balik na kami ng Manila. So, wala kami nagawa today kundi kumain lang. Hilata lang all day kasi umuulan pa rin. Hopefully, matuloy yung flight namin. If not, wala man tayong magagawa. Kasi mahangin-hangin at maulan pa rin up until now. But anyway, it was truly a breathtaking experience in Batanes. It's really, really worth it. I mean, pricey yung nagastos overall. I'll post yung mga expenses namin or in between maybe, but I'll definitely put yung mga expenses namin on this vlog. But I hope you enjoyed my Batanes trip, and don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be notified on my next vlog. So hindi ko alam kung kailan yung next travel ko, but hopefully meron na ulit for you guys. So bye! False alarm on the vlog. So, we're back. Welcome to Batanes. So, our flight got cancelled. So, the earliest flight would be on April 6. But, we'll try to be iaano namin yung chance passenger. But not tomorrow kasi pretty much sure tomorrow madami talagang magta-try. So, stay pa kami for additional 2 nights here. Hopefully, mag-clear out yung weather para makapag-Sabtang din kami because we really want to go to Sabtang. Pero the gastos is real. Pero ano nga naman choice, wala naman din choice. So, make the most out of our days here in Batanes. So, first things first, it's 12. So, kakain muna kami and then we'll look for laundry kasi syempre, yung mga damit namin ay gamit na. So, see you guys later. Good morning! Day 6 in Batanes. So, we're aiming for Sabtang. Dito na kami sa may Ivana Port. Mukhang matutuloy na aming Sabtang. Naging blessing in disguise pa yung cancel ng flight namin. But, it's still cloudy. Pero better than 2 days. So, let's still hope for the best sa weather today. See ya! So, we're officially here sa Sabtang, finally. So, blessing in disguise din talaga yung cancellation ng flight. But, ayun. Luckily, nakapag-Sabtang kami. So, we paid like 3,200 each para makapag-Sabtang. Like, para na siyang private in a way. All in na, like mga fees, lunch, ganyan. So, let's enjoy! nandito kami sa Barangay Chavayan, kung saan yung Sabtang Weavers Association, kung saan to ginagawa. Kung makikita nyo dun sa mga clips, kahit dito, wala kayong nakikitang kable or anything. Kasi daw, yung kuryente nila, underground. O, diba? Talo pa tayo sa Manila. We're back! So, nakapag-freshen up na ulit. Lo, my color, it's brown. But anyway, Sabtang Tour is a different experience. I must say, it's really a must kung paano siya nire-recommend na iba kong friends na nagpunta ng Batanes to visit. Ganun ko din siya i-recommend ng sobra. Yun nga lang talaga, pray for a good weather kasi pag hindi, syempre makakancel din kasi big waves talaga siya. So, ayun, it's really a risk going there if ever. Pero it was really worth it, like sobrang worth it. So, ayun, nakakapagod lang, sa totoo lang. Tapos babiyahe ka pa ng bangka, mga 30 minutes yun. Tapos babiyahe ka pa ulit ng van or trike pabalik ng town proper. So, tulog talaga after. But anyway, ngayon, medyo makulimlim dito sa Basco. We're planning to go to the lighthouse or the rolling hills again if maging okay yung weather. But if not, malamang dito na lang kami and then fix our stuff kasi tomorrow magta-try kami mag-chance passenger para makauwi na ng Manila. So, yun lang muna for now, guys. Bye! So, we got lucky. So, kita nyo naman, dito na ako ulit sa kwarto. We're home. Muntik pang hindi. Kasi kanina 14 na lang kaming chance passenger na nandun. Actually, 14 lang kaming chance passenger na nandun. Tapos, 10 lang yung tinawag. So, may 4 na natira. And then, sabi ko, hindi muna kami aalis hanggat hindi pa umaalis yung aeroplano. Kasi we're still hoping na lumabas yung ground crew, tawagin kami ulit, ganyan. And it did happen. So, lumabas yung ground crew, tapos nagtawag ng pangalan, tapos nung napansin niya na siguro after mga ilang names, wala namang lumalapit. Tinanong niya na lang yung mga apelido namin na natira na 4, tapos pina-go through na kami. So, we were able to go home at hindi na nangyari yung April 6 na uwi namin. And, ayun, again, we're home. Pero it was really, really, alam ko ilang beses ko na nabanggit, but it was really a blessing in disguise na na-cancel yung trip namin at nakapagsabtang kami. Because Sabtang is a different level. Sobrang iba yung vibes niya, iba yung aura, sobrang iba yung, parang nasa ibang bansa ka talaga, ganon yung feels. Tapos sobrang, wala, ang ganda lang talaga niya in general. Wala ka nang ibang ma-describe pa. Yung breathtaking kulang, hindi siya sapat, pero it was really breathtaking. Ganon yung feels. So, ayun, nakakatuwa kasi at least from a canceled Sabtang tour to a canceled flight, tapos natuloy yung Sabtang tour, Tapos natuloy pa kami sa chance passenger. So it happened talaga, parang minanifest namin na ganun yung mangyayari. So yun nga yung nangyari. But anyway, I hope na na-enjoy nyo talaga fully yung vlog. Hopefully, meron akong susunod ulit na trip. Pero hindi ko pa alam. Mag-iipon muna tayo ulit ng pera. Kasi ang gastos ng Batanes. But again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified on my next vlog. And this time, itong outro na to, legit na tong outro na to. Wala nang halong biro. So I'm gonna see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!